you are welcome to this video. In this video, we are going to be talking about continuous and discontinuous function. We already talked about a function, so in this video, we are going to be talking about a continuous and discontinuous function. When a function said to be continuous and when a function said to be discontinuous. So when is a function said to be continuous? A function is said to be continuous, at any point. Is said to be continuous at any point if and only if f of x is equal to f of a. A function is said to be continuous at any point if and only if f of x is equal to f of a. So we are going to be looking for conditions that will guarantee f of x to be equal to f of a. Now, one, for f of x for a function to be continuous, f of x must be defined. F of x must be defined. For a function to be continuous, f of x must be defined. Two, for a function to be continuous, f of x must exist. For a function to be continuous, f of x must exist. This is to tell us that is the limit of f of x as x approaches a from the left, the limit of f of x as x approaches a from the left will be equal to the limit of f of x as x approaches a from the right. Alright, it's not minus a and plus a. It's x approaches a from the left and it approaches a from the right. But for a function to be continuous, this must hold. So the third condition says what? The third condition says if for a function to be continuous, the limit of f of x as x approaches a is equal to f of a. So for a function to be continuous, these three conditions must hold. But there is one thing that I want us to know, that a function can be continuous at one side. This is what I'm saying. If f of x, if the limit of f of x as x approaches a from the left is equal to f of a, we say the function is continuous from the left. We say the function is continuous from the left. And if the limit of f of x as x approaches a from the right is equal to f of a, we say the function is continuous at the right. But this one doesn't guarantee the continuity of a function. The main conditions for a function to be continuous are these three conditions must hold. So for a function to be continuous, these three conditions must hold. F of x must be defined. F of x must exist. That is, f of x from the left is going to be equal to f of x from the right. And then f of x will be equal, as x approaches a, will be equal to f of a. So what is a discontinuous function? A function is said to be discontinuous, at any point if and only if f of x is not equal to f of a. So The next time we meet, we will continue from discontinuity of function. But for now, you should have this at the back of your mind. For a function to be continuous, these three conditions must hold. Thank you very much for watching my video. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Please, thank you very much.